Hi, my name's Draper. I'm local here to Hot Springs. Have you ever had trouble with one of these parking kiosks, or maybe the Park Smarter app on your phone? Did it make you want to throw your phone in the lake or run one of these over? Well, today we're going to try to solve that and prevent you from having to do that. We're going to talk about the kiosk and talk about the app so that you feel comfortable coming downtown to enjoy all that we have to offer. So if you're coming downtown and you're planning to pay with the kiosk here, you need to know that the only option to pay at the kiosk is with a card. All right, there's no cash or coin option.
There's no cash here. Here, there's no cash, all right? Cash, no.
And also, when you pay on here, you're going to have to use your license plate number, so you need to make sure you have that either memorized or a picture on your cellular device. And it's going to be $4 an hour if you're parking in the priority area, which is on the side of Central Avenue. All right, now we're back over here by the Arlington Hotel, and the Arlington has a few kiosks as well. So on the sides of Central Avenue are going to be your secondary parking. So if you park over here by the Arlington, it's going to be $2 an hour because it's secondary. So primary parking on Central Avenue, I like to think of that as like the VIP parking. That's $4 an hour for a maximum of 4 hours. And then on the side streets here, secondary is $2 an hour.
Boom.
So the app that the City of Hot Springs partnered with is the Park Smarter app. They originally partnered with them because they had some business in Fayetteville, and we've had a lot of people ask about, why the City of Hot Springs joined with Park Smarter and what are some other options. I know that in Eureka Springs they have an app called Park Mobile, and the bottom line is whoever they pick, the app has to work. It's got to be user friendly. That way anybody can use it, and it's efficient and it works on time for people. And don't forget, there is the option to do the text to pay. You just have to remember your parking spot and also use the numbers on the back of your plate. And don't forget, the reason we're doing this is because we want you to have a simple parking solution and to come to Hot Springs and enjoy all that we have to offer. Once again, my name's Draper. I'm local here to Hot Springs, running for City Director 5, and I really hope this video helps you come enjoy all that we have to offer in Hot Springs, Arkansas.